Hi friends and my dear students. Let's learn today about future tense. What is future tense? We use the future tense to refer an action or event that has not yet begun, or to make a prediction, or to show ability, intention and determination. The future tense is the verb tense used to describe a future event or state of being. Let's see types of future tense. Future tense. The first one is simple future tense. Second one is future continuous tense. Third one is future perfect tense. The fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. Let's know one by one. The first one is simple future tense. It is used to talk about things which we cannot control. It expresses the future as fact. To talk about what we think or believe will happen in the future time. When we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Okay. The structure of a simple future tense is subject, a will or shall plus V1, that is the first form of the verb, plus object. Here are a few examples for simple future tense. She will write her exam in June. I shall be 50 next Monday. I am sure Dishita will get a first class. His teacher is in class at the moment. I will wait. It will be Holi in a week. Note. Here is a note for you. Will is used in a sentence, in a statements. Shall is used in questions related, offers, suggestions. Here are a few examples. It will rain tomorrow. They will buy steel cups. Now see the sentences of simple future tense in the form of positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. I will read. I will not read. We can pronounce this I won't read. Will I read? We will read. We won't read. Will we read? You will read. You will not read. Will you read? They will read. They will not read. Will they read? He will read. He will not read. Will he read? She will read. She will not read. Will she read? It will read. It will not read. Will it read? Let's see the future continuous tense. It is used to express the continuity of a supposed or expected action in the future. It is used to talk about actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. It is used to talk about actions in the future which are already planned or expected to happen in the normal course of timing. The structure of future continuous tense is subject, will be or shall be, V1 plus ing plus object. Here are a few examples of future continuous tense. They will be waiting for the bus at the bus station. She will be staying here till Saturday. Our class teacher will be coming soon. We will be reading when you return. It will be raining at this time tomorrow. Now see the future continuous sentences in positive sentence, negative form and interrogative form. I will be reading. I will not be reading. Will I be reading? We will be reading. We will not be reading. Will we be reading? You will be reading. You will not be reading. Will you be reading? They will be reading. They will not be reading. Will they be reading? He will be reading. He will not be reading. Will he be reading? She will be reading. She will not be reading. Will she be reading? It will be reading. It will not be reading. Will it be reading? Now let's see the details of future perfect tense. It is used to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. The structure of a future perfect tense is subject will have or shall have plus V3, that is past participle of the verb, and object. Here are few examples of future perfect tense. They will have left before you go to meet them. I will have finished my work by then. She will have arrived. He will have met her. Now let's see the future perfect tense sentences in positive form, negative form and interrogative form. I will have done. I will not have done. Will I have done? We will have done. We will not have done. Will we have done? You will have done. You will not have done. Will you have done? They will have done. They will not have done. Will they have done? He will have done. He will not have done. Will he have done? She will have done. She will not have done. Will she have done? It will have done. It will not have done. Will it have done? Now let's see the future perfect continuous tense. It is used to talk about actions that will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. The structure of future perfect continuous tense is subject will have been or shall have been plus V1 plus ing plus object. And the examples are I will have been teaching for 12 years next October. I will not have been staying in America next summer. She will not have been coming tomorrow. Now see the future perfect continuous tense sentences in the form of positive, negative and interrogative sentence. I will have been doing. I will not have been doing. Will I have been doing? We will have been doing. We will not have been doing. Will we have been doing? You will have been doing. You will not have been doing. Will you have been doing? They will have been doing. They will not have been doing. Will they have been doing? He will have been doing. He will not have been doing. Will he have been doing? She will have been doing. She will not have been doing. Will she have been doing? It will have been doing. It will not have been doing. Will it have been doing? Thanks for watching my video. If you like this content, please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.